Hello guys, my name is Robert and I'm gonna present you today this external hard disk case called ZALMAN VM-VE500. Okay, let's have a look what we've got inside the box. So this is the device. Take it out. Have in the front a little LCD with a touchscreen button panel, menu button and the enter. Right, back. Let's have a look inside. Alright, so we can fit here, it says, a 2.5-inch hard disk drive. This could be regular hard drive or an SSD. I'm gonna do it with this 256 gig SSD. Alright, and we have here, this is a protective case, very useful. Mark with name ZALMAN. Yeah. The data transfer cable, and as you can see the blue color, it means it's a USB 3.0, better speed. Also here you can see a little screwdriver with 4-liter screws and the user guide. So I'm waiting for you to see the next videos, how it works, how you need to set up this device. So please hit the subscribe button and see you in my next video.